Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, you will learn how to complete regular inventory movement from start to finish. First, the worker navigates to inventory movement from the home page. Next, select regular movement. The worker locates the desired inventory to move and then scans the pallet ID or LP. If you want to move all of the items, tap Collect All Quantity. Otherwise, input the quantity of items you want to move. Tap the Collect button, then the worker will deliver the collected inventory to the new location or pallet. Once this has been completed, scan the new location or pallet ID, remove all items from the pallet and place them in the drop destination. Then tap Drop, and remember to only do so after physically dropping the inventory. You have now successfully completed a regular inventory movement using the Operate app. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.